how to download Google Form responses as PDF file. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you just have to go to the responses section from here for your Google Form, and you just have to simply click on summary questions or individual to download the specific type of response. And then you just have to click on the three dot of your web browser and click on print, and you just have to select the save as PDF option from here and click on save, and then you can just rename your PDF and click on save, and this function will be saved as PDF. And if you want to download the whole response response page, like print all responses, you have to click on print all responses and click on save as PDF, then click on save, and you just have to rename the file and click on save, and that's it. That's how you can save all the responses from your Google Form as PDF. See you on the next one, guys.